I just saw one.
Probably the most scary game.
Yeah, the most scariest fan game. What do you want to play
We were
first?
just there and
We were just in Forest. I don't know. Forest is weird.
let's just go.
Uh,
Oh no.
no.
Oh my gosh, it's the hotel.
I don't recognize this place.
I don't like this place. Should we go to the hotels?
Yeah, I'll sit here. No, why is everything so? Oh, my light isn't on.
Yo, how about we? Let's go out there.
Yo, if there's an echo, that's sorry. We're just right next to each other IRL. So.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. You know, I feel safe. Like, I feel safe in home.
On top of the buildings.
What was that?
I heard that. The boop boop.
Help me.
Oh, the building.
Help me up. Help me up. Is there like a chicken up here? I think it's that way. Should we go that way?
Yeah. Don't jump off. Just go until it ends. Starbucks.
Guys, if you want to download this game, I'll show you. It's OG Fun Monkey Horror. It's really scary.
Yeah, my bad.
I think I'll get up there.
Just be careful. Alright, well, he's setting a new boundary because we traded the charger. I had it, so. I feel like this echo is gonna go crazy. I might mostly just like turn the game audio down. So, yeah, just cut this part out and turn the game audio down. Yeah, I feel safer now, actually. That's so fast, bro.
I hit my cord. Bro, this
Kissing your Hiroshima.
How are you playing so
I guess you could say I'm correlated. Yeah, you should sub for that. What do we? Okay, fine. Yeah.
I'm actually kind of scared. I don't know why, but like.
When you're playing plugged in, it's scarier for some reason.
Oh yeah, when y'all are watching this, it's not gonna sound that scary, but
Yeah,
when you're actually
yeah.
playing, it's really scary.
This looks like a hospital wall. Look.
I played like Fun Monkey Horror a long time ago, so I kind of forget.
Same.
Oh, that's an open.
No,
hotel.
thank you, buddy. Yeah,
We're going.
you have to sub for this.
Who's that?
Hi, Lucy. It's Lucy, bro. It's Lucy. Yo, what's up, Lucy? It's actually Lucy,
Is
bro.
it scary? Is there any other thing? Is it scary? Like, you think there's better
Is
monsters?
Lucy? Well, besides that one level that we played before recording. Run. Alright, let's go. In the hotel. Yo, where are you? Where'd you go? Alright.
What is that?
Glitch.
No, look at
No, thank you, sweetheart. It's like an eye. There's an eye. Bro.
I'm jumping.
Eek!
Alright, that's good. That was you going.
Like the eye was tweaking out, bro.
Should we go back? It's not fun.
A bit, yeah. Let's go back. Alright, well, let's go see. Well, we should do the pool rooms. We haven't done the pool rooms yet. Start a place. I died. Now I'm back. I went back.
Now we're safe.
Alright, let's go this way. Wait, hold on. Spaceship?
Oh! What's that?
Let me go.
No, this.
Oh, shoot! What the heck?
This is the OG monster. Look.
Is that an anglerfish? Oh, if you have to like and subscribe for this McDonald's meal, Krabby Patty. Okay, well,
Can I swim?
no! Oh shoot!
No, I'm Jesus. I can literally walk on water.
Dang.
That's
Stick
behind-
figure, right here. I see it right here. Is this not it? You see these lights? Is this not it? It's raining. What the heck? How is it raining just that quickly? It was like completely quiet outside. I don't like this. Man, why did it start raining so abruptly? It was like calm, quiet night, and then rain. Kurt, I see a green light. It's not that bad. Yeah, that's what I was trying to show you that, but alright. I know, buddy.
Let's go to run. This is the last map here. Are you ready?
188? Bro, there's a map called 188. I fell through the map, bet. That's cool. Yeah, sure.
Back. Run. Wait, isn't run the scariest map in the
Maybe. Alright, I'm in. I'm just like dead air, like cut game audio from here, but elevator music's better. Lucy, what are you doing here? Oh, Lucy just got me. Woman? What the heck? You just have to fall down. Well, you know what time it is, so. I know.
Finally!
You scared me. You go first. No, not it.
I don't like this. Oh, nah.
Bro, you can just like. Bro.
I really don't like this place. You go first.
I went first last time. Whatever.
What's that? I don't like that.
Run from it.
I thought this map.
Here.
There isn't a monster.
Wait, we died last time. You don't remember? What you read? Why is your volume all the way up? Alright, hold on. Look at this. Come here.
What?
Let's go to 118. The heck?
Oh my gosh, it's the bathrooms map. It's the hotel.
Yo, this is like a dream core.
Oh, it's speaking too. I don't like this place.
Gotcha.
What if
No, I
a
didn't.
bunga is in here?
A bone gum?
The next boss.
I fell! I don't like these games anymore! I've played these games before!
I don't think we're supposed to go up there. Let's go down.
Nah, I heard another scream, bro. Where is bro? Go to the top floor on this little branch.
He's right here. He's inside.
Where?
Can we go inside? Let's go down. I'm getting tired of this. Please just go down.
Jeez, bro. I died. I see you, Jerry. Tommy's me. You suck. I don't like this game. I'll run from him. Okay.
Oh no.
Why is it raining again? It stopped raining and then it's like. I'll take one for the team. I just saw one. I went the wrong way, chat.
Alright, let's go back. See, that one is scary.
Yeah. Alright, let's go over here more.
Yeah. Let's see what's next. It is
I'm gonna cut this part.
Dev Town. Oh my gosh, it's actually Dev Town.
Ooh. Yo, up the ladder. Up the.
Cut this out.
I'll cut that out. No, I won't.
Why the way?
Buddy, I'm not gonna cut that out.
If you don't cut that out, I'm gonna be crying.
That's not nice. Bro, you're the type of person that would type my block. You know, this isn't that bad though. This is. Oh my, bro. Brother, this guy stinks! You know what? You forgot what dev stands
No,
for.
I meant like the scary part.
Oh, alright, I was about to say, bro, if you forgot what dev is short for, like,
Bro, what's the tackle snackle?
Let's go in this little hut. Yo, now I'm waiting for you for this, bro. Like,
Why does this remind me of?
I don't think there's anything in here. I kinda do. You wanna?
This is big town. Now look at it. Now look at it. It looks like one of those PvP
Oh yeah,
maps from
yeah,
Roblox.
that arena game, whatever. Let's leave. I don't think there's anything in here.
No, because there's a whole nother part here.
Alright, I'm up. Paves the way, put your back and do it. That was why.
Oh, I see something. How is that? Oh my gosh. This is God.
Yo, I heard Lucy.
It kicked me from the game. That's how bad that was. Oh my gosh. That monster kicked me from the game.
Wait, what did it look like?
It looked like the loading screen.
You're joking. Yeah. If you guys have seen the loading screen to this game, it's like the PvP loading screen, but it's not red in the eyes.
It was actually.
It was actually.
Oh my gosh! Crashed my game.
Oh god. Yep,
I just entered Animal Company, bro.
we're not going back there.
Holy crap.
I was just like, behind you.
There's the loading screen, bro.
I was like,
That's the.
behind you. What did you see like right when you was behind you?
Me getting jump scared, surprise.
Bro, it actually crashed. Bro, Fun Monkey Core, best game, best war game.
Word, bro.
Alright, bro, wait, what was
Pulling up
the
in it.
138?
188. Oh yeah. Alright, well, remember the thing?
What are we doing? 188 or unknown?
I'm at 188.
Look out for the SCP. How do you know?
Why are you back?
There's stairs. I'm running up the stairs.
I got humped.
Buddy, oh, you're
What's that?
Just there's nothing there. Besides like a weird city thing. Cross space. I don't like this, bro. For going first, not it. A horror game, something.
Yeah, why is this?
Ooh, yucky.
chicken jockey. Oh, this is
Oh, it's
Another
I can't go in.
shard this.
That's great.
behind us.
Behind us. Run!
Ookie-backy, ookie-gacky.
It sounds like
It's
a
a fight.
Man. Go this way, this way, this way. Follow me. Oh my god.